Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. It's time for the CVS must-do deals for next week. I'm going to show you in this video how you can grab about $81 worth of products, including diapers, including laundry products, hair care, makeup, you name it. Final cost will be about $17. And at the end, I do have two beginner-friendly transactions for how to put together different deals and transactions using Fluz gift cards so you can lower your out-of-pocket cost. So you'll be able to get 9 products for $12.20. That includes taxes and everything. So definitely stay tuned if you're trying to see how you can save money at CVS. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My channel is all about different ways that you can save thousands of dollars each year through using coupons, digital coupons, rebate apps, you name it. So if you're trying to save more money this year, definitely hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any easy deals that I post or giveaways that I do on my channel all the time. So let's go ahead and dive right into the coupon inserts that we're going to be getting on Sunday. We are getting 2 coupon inserts, a Smart Source and a Save insert. BQ does have them up on their site right now, so if you want to order them, you can before they sell out. Just a reminder, her website, the smallest order that you can place is a 4-pack. 4 is 4 of each of them. So if there's 2 inserts coming on Sunday, you'd be getting 8 inserts. So 4 of the Smart Source and 4 of the Save. That's the package that I order each week. That's typically enough coupons for me. If there is an amazing high value coupon like that Dove BOGO a couple weeks ago, then I'll order additional individual coupons on thecouponmarketplace.com. So I do have discounts for 10% off of each website. Both are linked below for you in the description box. And if you are new to couponing at CVS and the CRTs, the extra bucks, the beauty bucks still kind of confuse you, definitely consider grabbing the CVS couponing ebook, which is also linked below for you in the description box. It goes over everything from reading coupons, where to get coupons, organizing them, to putting together deals, explaining the extra bucks, the beauty bucks, the whole process. So all the information that I've learned over the last 2 years and how I'm able to walk away with free products, $100, $150 worth every single week. All of that information is in that ebook for you. So that can definitely help you up your game as far as your savings at CVS. Okay, let's dive right into the deals. Maybelline, it says that we're getting a mystery coupon on either Maybelline or Revlon. So we don't know what the coupon is going to be and we don't know what the value is going to be. So this is just a guess. If the product changes, of course, double check your CRTs and instant coupons that you'll see on your CVS app. Come Sunday morning, go to Deals and Rewards and we'll see what instant coupons we got. So, of course, we can adjust our math accordingly. I will have my CVS haul on Sunday posted and the printable breakdown will have everything updated. If this is the case, this can be an amazing freebie. So any Maybelline is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, limit of 1. So the limit is once per card per sales week. So grabbing 2 of the Fit Me blushes, they're $5.99 each. I actually use a Maybelline Fit Me blush in my everyday makeup routine. There is also a 4 off of 2 Fit Me products Maybelline coupon we got in our 5-2 save insert. Then if the mystery coupon is $3, you'll pay $4.98. Get back a $5 extra buck, making both of them completely free, which is awesome. Nice freebie that you can take advantage of course, if you have that 4 off of 2 coupon. If not, and you want to order it and you want to do this deal, check thecouponmarketplace.com. Coupons are like 15 to 20 cents a piece, so super cheap, and of course, you'd be saving $4 with that coupon. Tresemme, there's always great hair care deals every single week at CVS, so you should never be paying full price for hair care or oral care for sure. Tresemme is going to be 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $2 extra buck. We got 4 off of 2 coupons in our 5-2 Unilever, and last week I got a 3 off of 2 Tresemme CRT. So it is still valid until Sunday, so I'll use it on Sunday before it expires. Then I'll be left to pay just $1 out of pocket but I'm going to get back a $2 extra buck, making it free and a $1 moneymaker. You can always pay with extra bucks as well, and you'll still get the extra bucks back. Another hair care deal, Loreal Elvive is spend 8, get a $4 extra buck. So they're going to be regular priced. They're $4.99 each at my store. Some may be up to like $5.49. It just depends on your region. So again, just adjust your math accordingly. We have 3 off of 2 coupons we got in last Sunday's 5-2 save insert. You'll pay $6.98, get back that $4 extra buck, making it $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. Not a bad deal for hair care. If you have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT, then I would definitely consider adding this in with the Tresemme deal, and then all of them will be free and a $1, or not a $1 moneymaker. Pay 1. Something like that, like a $1 or $2 moneymaker, which would be incredible. So definitely check your CRTs on Sunday. See if you have a 4 off of 18. I just can't do the math in my head real quick. Okay, here's an easy deodorant deal. Now it says select varieties for Axe, Schmidt's, Dove, Degree, or Suave. So I'm assuming this is the Suave that'll be included. We'll know on Sunday. But this is a deal that anyone can do, no coupons needed. I don't even think we have any Suave coupons. They're buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So what you're gonna do is grab 2 of the Suave, you'll pay for it out of pocket or with extra bucks. Then you're gonna get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost $2.49 for both, or $1.25 each. So not the best deal because we don't have any coupons, but this is a great, easy, beginner-friendly deal that anyone can do, especially if you're just starting out couponing. Poise. So the current week at Walgreens is the same deal. You can get it for 99 cents, but at Walgreens, I posted it in my Walgreens haul video on Monday, so definitely check back. It's going to be 99 cents out of pocket. Here at CVS next week, you'll have to pay $2.99 or with extra bucks, and you'll get back a $2 extra buck. So a little bit of a better deal as far as not having to pay the money out of pocket the current week at Walgreens if you want to stock up on some Poise. Next week at CVS, it is buy 1, get a $2 extra buck, limit of 1. So you can grab a Poise or a Silhouette. You'll use a $3 digital coupon, so very beginner friendly. You'll pay $2.99, get back a $2 extra buck, so your cost is 99 cents. But this deal is included, I believe, in the transactions at the end. So stay tuned. I'll share with you exactly how you can put together your beginner-friendly transactions, roll your rewards, and using Fluz gift cards to lower your cost. Wanted to throw in there a diaper deal for you guys. Huggies are buy 1, get 1 half off, spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. The current week is a better deal for Huggies because they're 2 for $20 and spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. So that'll save you 98 cents right there. And we have $2 Huggies paper coupons from the 4/18 save insert, I believe, but they expire on Saturday. So the current week would be a little bit of a better deal. However, next week, if you want to keep stocking up, it's still not a bad price. So you're going to grab 2 of the Huggies diapers. They are $13.99. The second one would be half off at $6.99. We have a $2 any Huggies digital coupon, and you can print dollar coupons. There is a website linked below in the description box, so definitely check that out. You're going to create an account with Huggies, and you'll be able to print coupons. And if you have a 3 off of 15 diaper CRT, you're definitely going to add that in this deal. You'll pay $14.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making it $9.98 for both, or $4.99 each. Still not a bad deal because even at Walmart, you're going to be paying, I believe, $9 a bag. So still almost half off of Walmart prices. Now I have 2 scenarios for you on this spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. Of course, there's a bunch of different scenarios that you can do, so mix and match the deals, whatever you guys are needing to stock up on. One scenario is going to be grabbing the Tide Liquid, or you can grab the large Tide Pods. Either one, they're the same price, and we have digital coupons. Then you're going to grab a Bounty paper towels, or again, you can switch that for the Charmin Mega Rolls. They are the same price at $7.99. That'll bring you to $19.93. Then we have a $3 Tide digital coupon and a $1 Bounty digital coupon. You'll pay $15.93, get back a $5 extra buck, making it $10.93 for both, or $5.46 each. Not the best deal. There's not really any CRTs that I can think of that you could put in this deal, but still not a bad price, especially to stock up on a really large Tide for only $5.46. That's about half price. So wanted to add in this deal for you. And we have this option. So what you can do for this one is grab the small Tide Pods for $4.94, and you can grab 3 of the Pantene. They are the larger ones, not the smaller bottles. Those are usually 3 for $12. I didn't see that those were included anyways. So what you're going to do is use a $2 Tide Pods Digital. If you've already used the Tide Pods Digital for this month, we're not getting a new one. So then you would have to use the paper coupon from the May PG insert. Same with the Pantene. Then you're going to use a 3 off of 15 hair care CRT if you have it. You'll wind up paying $11.94 plus taxes, get back a $5 extra buck, and if you've done the other hair care deals and the Maybelline deal in this video, you'll hit beauty. So you'll get back a $3 beauty buck in about 48 hours after you check out. That'll make your final cost $3.94 for 4 products, or 99 cents each, which is definitely a great, great deal. Now let's hop into how we are going to put together our transactions. So what I always recommend, your first transaction, put together deals that are going to give you back extra bucks. Anything that winds up being a freebie, a moneymaker, anything like that, put that in your first transaction. So for this example, I would grab 1 of the Poise, 2 of the Maybelline Fit Me Blush, and the 2 Tresemme hair care that I showed you in this video. Total for that is going to be $25.97. We have $14 in coupons and CRTs. You'd pay $11.97 plus taxes out of pocket, but you're not going to pay that cash out of pocket. What you're going to do, download Fluz. My link is below in the description box as well. And my referral code is Bree, coupon Queen 21. You're going to get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. So you're going to purchase 2 separate $10 gift cards. And the reason is, you get $3.50 maximum per gift card you buy. So if I buy 1 gift card at $20, I'm only going to get back $3.50 plus 5% of $20. Or I can get 2 separate $10 gift cards, get $3.50, $3.50, and you're still going to get the 5% additional cash back as well. So it winds up doubling your cash back. And the gift cards will be virtual gift cards on your Fluz account. So you are going to pay with those gift cards. So you'll show them, they're going to hit gift card on their side. You're going to show them the barcode on your Fluz account. They're going to scan it. $10 is going to come off. Do the same thing for the second gift card. They're going to scan it. $1.97 plus tax is going to come off. Then you're going to get back a $2 extra buck, a $5 extra buck, and a $2 extra buck. So we've only spent $20 out of pocket. We've covered our entire first transaction. Now our second transaction, I would do the spend at 20 deal. So you're going to pay $11.94 plus taxes, but we got $9 in CVS money from the first transaction. You're going to hand that, it prints on the bottom of your receipt. You're going to rip it off real quick, give it to the cashier. They're going to scan that. Now that's going to deduct. Now you're only paying $2.94 plus taxes. But you're going to use that same second Fluz gift card that should have about $5 or $6 left on it. They're going to, again, hit gift card on their side, scan it. The $2.94 plus tax is going to come off. That should cover everything. And you're going to get back a $5 extra buck and a $3 beauty buck in about 48 hours. So hopefully that math makes sense for you. Let's break it down one more time. So we paid $20 to Fluz. You're going to immediately get the cash back because you already paid that $20. You have 2 $10 gift cards. That covered all the cost from the 2 transactions I showed you. You didn't have to pay anything additional out of pocket. You got back $7.80 from Fluz for buying those 2 gift cards. So your final cost as far as cash money is concerned is $12.20, and you picked up 9 products, making it $1.35 each, which is awesome. And we got a bunch of different products. We got hair care, we have laundry products, we got some makeup and some feminine care. So all of that is about $1.35 per product. So that is how you can save a ton of money at CVS. Break down your transactions into smaller transactions. And again, all of this is further broken down with a bunch of different photos and a bunch of explanation in that CVS couponing ebook. It is linked below for you in the description box. If you'd like to grab it, I would absolutely love that. Love to be able to help people save so much money. I wish I knew about all this when I was in college, working paycheck to paycheck. This would have helped me so much. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button on this video, and I will see you next time.